Yes, Chitwan.
मैम मेरे लैपटॉप में कोई प्रॉब्लम आ गई थी तो अभी फोन से ज्वाइन किया है।
अच्छा, ओके। तो क्या मतलब लैपटॉप बंद हो गया?
मैम पता नहीं आजकल ना जब मैं ओपन करती हूँ तो अपने आप से ना क्रोम खुल जाता है, फिर सडनली कुछ कुछ टाइप होने लग जाता है अपने आप, जैसे हैक कर लिया हो किसी ने, फिर मुझे रीस्टार्ट करना पड़ता है।
हाँ, एक
अपने
बार
आप ही
अपना
व्हाट्सएप
किसी
पे
को
लिंक सेंड हो जाते हैं किसी को भी।
अभी, हाँ, जस्ट अभी लिंक सेंड हुआ
ग्रुप
ग्रुप
में
में।
मैम। हाँ
हाँ,
मुझे शो हुआ अभी लैपटॉप पे वो, और मैंने फटाफट क्लोज किया। मुझे फोन में नहीं शो हो रहा मैम कि मेरी तरफ से कोई लिंक गया है।
हाँ,
अगर आप मैम डिलीट कर सकते हो तो कर दो।
हाँ, मैं डिलीट कर सकती हूँ, एक मिनट। कर दिया मैंने डिलीट।
ओके मैम। मैम
ओके,
चेक करवाऊंगी मैं लैपटॉप, पता
हाँ,
नहीं।
करवा लीजिए क्योंकि पता नहीं ऐसे क्यों।
एक बार
ठीक है,
पहले भी
बस
हुआ है बट तब मुझे शो
हाँ,
हो गया था।
अच्छा। फिर आज स्टार्ट करेंगे सेटिंग से। ओके, सो
यस मैम।
सौरभ सर ने प्रॉन्ग सेटिंग बताया था क्या? मैं वापस बताऊंगी, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो ने पढ़ा दिया तो मैं नहीं बता रही हूँ, मैं वापस से आपको वापस से बोलूंगी, बताऊंगी सब चीज। बस उन्होंने बताया था क्या, ये पूछ रहे हो?
हाँ मैम करवाया था बट मुझे
समझ नहीं आया?
हाँ समझ भी नहीं आया था और प्रैक्टिस भी नहीं कर पाई।
ठीक है, ओके। So first we will start with the prong setting. Prong settings में क्या होता है? You can open the notes and you can see कि वहां पर क्या चीज है. So each and everything is written in the notes. वो आप देख लेंगे properly, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. So in the prong setting, ये आपको नहीं दिख रहा होगा ना, मैंने जो notes open किया.
नो मैम।
हाँ, एक मिनट. अब विजिबल है क्या?
यस।
हाँ, तो prong setting में क्या है? We have prongs like this. Prongs में भी different different shapes होते हैं, and we have one prong or two prongs, three prongs, four prongs, six prong. If you want five, eight prongs like this. Vertical, two vertical, horizontal. Then in this four prongs, you can see it is diagonal wise and this is at the four corners. तो ऐसे prongs placement होते हैं and the metal is like this. So we will make covered metal, not like this. All this we will learn in matrix. ये जो है ना वहां पे इनबिल्ट है, we will learn there. लेकिन यहाँ पे we will make a base setting, मतलब all covered from every side. ठीक है?
यस।
Okay. So now we will use only one single prong, like double, triple also are there, but we will use or like this or the V shape prong, heart shape prong, many shapes are there. But in this rhino, we will use only round prong.
ओके।
Okay. Arshia, Arshia,
हाँ मैम।
गुड आफ्टरनून. तबीयत ठीक है आपकी?
हाँ मैम ठीक हूँ मैम।
ठीक है, ओके. So in this prong, whatever diamond size you have, उसमें prong size क्या लेंगे? It's written in the notes. So if you are taking 1 to 1.2 mm, the prong size will be 0.4 to 0.45 mm. Then 1.3 to 1.5, the prong size will be 0.5 to 0.55, and so on. So there, and this is the prong size. What will be the height? So this height of the surface prong, this is for pave setting, 0.9. But for the collet, this prong setting, you have to take 1.6 to 1.8. You can take 1.6 or 1.8. Okay. So I'll show
Yes.
you how to make. So we will start making it. So here I'm selecting this diamond, only diamond. We don't need cutter for the prong setting, only diamond we need. So copy and paste. So this you have to bring in the center. So what we will do, select this small point and 0 enter. It will be in the center. Now you have to see here in front view whether it is proper. No, you have to bring it properly here. Okay.
Yes.
Now for this 1.5 mm diamond, you have to take duplicate edge to get the curve. To get the curve, you have to take duplicate edge of this table one and the girdle one and enter. Okay. Now if you will hide the stone, you see that it's not properly on the base. This line is on the top. So what you will do, you have to select this and project to C plane. Now delete input yes, because we don't need the previous circle. So like this. Clear?
Yes.
Now the outer circle, this one, the girdle one. You have to take offset of this. Offset लेंगे कितना? 0.1 outside, not inside. Okay? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have to select this, the outer one, and you have to take offset of that inside. How much? When you will place the diamond, you have to see the smaller circle which you are taking should not be very big. So we will take offset of suppose 0.45. So 0.45 is coming till here. So duplicate edge, 1 minute. Okay. So the top part is still here. You can take this also, or you can select the outer which we have taken. This offset we have taken outer, how much? 0.1. So you have to select this and you have to take inside the same offset 0.45. Okay, now you have to select only these two circles which offset you have taken, one outside and one inside. Okay, समझ आया क्या? नहीं,
थोड़ा बहुत मैम.
वापस बता रही हूँ. इसको मैंने ऑप्शन के लिए लिया था. ठीक है, ये सर्कल लिया. You have to take duplicate edge and you have to take this circle. Now you have to take offset of this outer circle. How much? 0.1. Because diamond is still here, so slightly metal should be outside. Now you have to select this offset circle which you have taken now, and again you have to take offset inside So you have to see that it should not be very big. You have to keep it till here.
Okay.
Now you have to select both. Abhi clear?
Yes.
Now you have to make it solid, extrude planar curve straight until where you will take it. If you are doing it manually, this pointed area, the metal should be below this. You can take till here also, but it should be like this if you are taking it manually. Or if you are giving the number, you can take -1. Why
Okay.
we are taking slightly more metal? So that when in design, you need to cut slight metal, because diamond metal should be till here. You cannot take the metal like this. If it will be like this will hurt the finger because it's not covered with the metal. So at least you should have the metal till here.
Okay.
So why we are taking this little bit bigger? So that in design, when you need to cut it, so you can cut it according to the design. Okay, so I'm taking this one. Understood? ये
Yes,
देखिए
ma'am.
कैसे आएगा. Now if you will see, the metal is complete like this. How the diamond will be fixed here? Because it's like this and the metal is straight. So what we have to do is we have to cut this metal. How? Using chamfer edge we have to do it. Chamfer edge में ही cut करते हैं ना हम लोग metal. It will be
Mm-hmm.
slanting. So
Yes.
we have to cut. अब कितना लेना है? You have to decide. So you can measure from this 1 mm till here. कितना आ रहा है? It's coming 0.35. Meaning you have to do the chamfer as 0.35. Easily you can get it. अगर आप देखने जाएंगे तो you will take 0.2, 0.3. So just measure it from this girdle till here and you will get to know. So chamfer edge, we will take 0.35. Select this. ये देखिए. Clear?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
when you will unhide the gem, diamond, you can see it's according to this.
Hmm.
यहाँ तक clear?
Yes, ma'am.
अर्शिया clear है?
Yes, ma'am.
मतलब जो भी आउटर लिया है, ये जो आपने ये और ये लिया था, -0.1 कर दीजिए, तो इसमें कंफ्यूजन हो सकता है. सो यू डायरेक्टली मेजर इट फ्रॉम हियर टिल हियर, वो प्रॉपरली आ जाएगा. ओके.
Yes.
Now the collet is placed. Now we have to place the prong which will attach the diamond. So what we will use? We will use the cylinder. So select the cylinder. Prong size what you have to take is, अभी 1.5 है diamond. So what prong size we will take? So 0.5 I'm taking here. So 0.5, and you have to see it should be diameter. Okay, 0.5, and then height you have to take, suppose 1.6. Select this, place it over here. So it should be properly here, exactly where the collet is. Like this. Okay. Now this you have to place it. The metal will be covered. This is the metal part, right? The metal will be covered, and this should be slightly, the diamond should be covered also. ऐसे. Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So now if you want this in the center, you can select this, place it in the center. Take it out like this. See, slightly the diamond should be touched. Now you have to do fillet edge. So how you will decide what fillet edge you will take for this? So जो भी आपने diameter लिया है, whatever prong diameter you have taken, we have taken 0.5, right?
Right.
So the fillet edge will be less than half. So half will be 0.25. So you can take 0.2,
Oh,
0.22, 0.21, 0.24 like this.
okay.
Don't take half. If you will take half, see 0.25. Select this. See, it will show you the red mark, meaning this is not proper.
Hmm.
Okay, so you have to take less than half. So you can, if you will take 0.23, see,
Okay.
so it will be rounded like this. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, two prongs you have to place. So you have to select this, transform mirror, 0, enter the other side. So this is one type. Now, if you want, you can select this and you have to write 90. See, yes. Now, if you want three prongs, so this you have to place it over here. Now, transform array polar, 0, enter, 3, enter, enter, enter. See, three prongs. Now, if you want opposite, meaning two prong up and one prong down, you have to click on this and 180, right?
Okay.
Select this 180. So two prongs will be up and one prong will be down. Now, if you want four prongs, delete this. Where you want to place it, first place it properly. Suppose here I want. Now, transform array polar, 0, enter, 4, enter, 0, enter, 4, enter, enter. See,
Hmm. Yeah.
four prongs. Now, if you want like this, select this, place it over here. Now, select this and we want all the four sides. So, transform array polar, 0, enter, 4, enter, enter, enter. See, all the four corners. So, two, three prongs, four prongs. Now, if you want six prongs, you want five prongs, you can take that also. Now, transform array polar, 0, enter, 6, enter, enter, enter. See, now six prongs. If you want eight prongs, Select this, transform, array polar, 0 enter, 8 enter, enter, enter. See, now 8 prongs. Like this you can do it. So is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
ऐसे आएगा. Why I have changed the color of the diamond so that easily you can understand that where is diamond and where. If you want to move it somewhere, group it and keep so that it will be moved properly. Maybe when you're moving it to some other file, the diamond is not there. So you have to be very careful. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
अभी cluster setting पता है क्या? What is cluster setting or pressure setting?
No, ma'am.
It's done using this collet and prong only. But how we have to do is, now you can take this center one slightly bigger also, or it can be of the same size also. So if you want of the same size, you have to place it like this. Now, if the record history will be on, you know that it will be easy for you. So record history on. Now transform array polar 0 enter. Suppose I want 5 or 6. Suppose see. Is it coming properly? Yes. So press enter. See, it is called cluster setting or pressure setting. Now you have to place the diamond, prong. So this prong, press alt, keep it here like this. It should connect all the 3 stones. Okay. And when you are placing prong, you have to see that everywhere it should be equal. So I'll select here. You can place the prong here. See, both the diamond should be attached. And then you have to select this and this and transform array polar 0 enter 6 enter enter. See, this is cluster setting. If you want that the metal should be, this prong should be here also, so you can do that. Select this, place it over here. तो वो सेटिंग आपको जैसा चाहिए वो आप चेंज कर सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंगली. नाउ ट्रांसफॉर्म अरे पोलर 0 enter 6 enter enter enter. सी,
ठीक है मैम.
तो ये है prong setting. So this is clear?
Yes.
Okay. तो ये प्रैक्टिस करेंगे कि मैं आगे बताऊं?
मैम आगे बता दो, बाद में
ठीक.
कर लूंगी क्लास के बाद प्रैक्टिस.
क्लियर हो गया?
यस मैम.
Okay. Now pave setting. In pave setting, you can see this diamond is below the metal. This is pave setting, and here also you can see the diamond is on the surface. So this is surface pave setting. It will be placed on the surface, but in this it will be placed slightly below the surface. So how this will be placed slightly below the surface? You have to take it down, the metal. So how you will do it? Using the Boolean difference. Okay, 1 minute. So first I'll show you surface pave setting. So for pave setting, you have to create metal first. I am showing you on a plain rectangular box. So rectangle box I am selecting center 0 enter, and this approx I am selecting 10 length and 2 width. Height I'm taking 1.2 enter. Now how you will decide what size of diamond will be placed here. Approx कोई भी diamond ऐसे place नहीं करना है. How you will select that what size of diamond you will be placing here. So we have taken here 2, right? With 2. लेंथ से हमें कुछ नहीं करना है. लेंथ से हमें सिर्फ इतना डिसाइड करना है हाउ मेनी डायमंड्स विल बी प्लेस्ड इफ यू आर सेलेक्टिंग द लेंथ. So to both side, when you are placing diamonds and 2 diamonds are placed, the gap between 2 diamonds should be 0.15. Okay? दो डायमंड के बीच में कितना गैप होगा? 0.15 का.
Okay.
So when you are placing the diamond here, यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे both side, the spacing will be same, meaning 0.15. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Easily take duplicate edge of this and this, enter. Now select this and you have to take offset of 0.15 from one side and 0.15 the other side. Now you can measure this and you will get to know that you have to place the diamond of 1.7. अगर आपको ऐसे easy नहीं लग रहा है, with the calculation if we'll make, तो calculator open करके this width is 2 mm minus एक side में 0.15, so 0.15 from one side, so it's 1.85, again minus 0.15, it's 1.7.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
So like this you can decide what size of diamond you will place. And in pave setting it should be with cutter. ऐसे place नहीं करना है diamond. You have to place with the cutter. So you have to select this, copy and paste. Now bring this in the center. 0 enter. अभी देखिए according to this the diamond is placed.
Yes.
अब take duplicate edge. Why? Because spacing कैसे decide करेंगे? Select this duplicate edge and you have to take offset. How much? 0.15. अभी आपको पता चल जाएगा ना spacing कैसे आएगा. So select this. First you have to see whether it is placed properly in the metal. No. ऐसे.
Okay.
Now press Alt. You can keep it over here. ये देखिए आपको गैपिंग का प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. When you will measure it, this is 0.15. ये देखिए.
Yes, ma'am.
Now again select this, place it over here. Now you have to select both and you can do mirror because we have created this in the center. ये देखिए.
Yes, ma'am.
ऐसे. So we can do two things. One, directly you have to select this. You have to select this, group it and keep. Now select this Boolean difference with this and enter. ये देख. Oh, 1 minute. Ungroup this. Select this Boolean difference with all the cutters and enter. See. And when you will hide the gem, it will be like this. ये देखिए. So this diamond, अगर आपको hide करके नहीं देखना है, you just have to see it like this. Do it ghosted and see. It is visible how the metal is from inside.
Okay, ma'am.
From here, ghosted. Now the other one, if you want to reduce the metal, so what you have to do is extract surface from here. Extract surface, here, enter, delete. ये देखिए. Now it is hollow. Now you have to select this. Then what you have to do is offset surface. Arrow should be inside, solid should be yes. The minimum metal thickness should be 0.5. So you have to take 0.5, enter, and see. The scooping is done. Now you can select this Boolean difference with all the cutters and enter. ये देखिए. So in this we have reduced the metal from the center, and in this we have kept it the same. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now diamond we have placed. We have to place the prongs also. Prong का पहले ही बता रखा है what size you have to take. ये देखिए. So 0.6 to 0.65. So take cylinder from the center. 0.6. So 0.6 is okay. You can take 0.62 also. It's totally upon you. 0.62. Now, the end of cylinder, both sides should be no. And this you have to take 0.9, not more than this. And it's on the surface. So what you have to do is you have to take this inside. It should be above the diamond. No measurement is there. You have to place it like this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, this is very too much inside. You have to place it like this. And when you are placing this equally everywhere, the size, the shape, hello,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, everywhere the placement should be same. The gapping of the prong in the diamond should be same. So if you think that no, this is very big, so you can take 0.6 also. So you have to see according to the design, and you have to do it. Now you select this and place it like this. So this is okay. 0.62 was looking big. Now keep it like this. Now you have to do fillet edge. क्या लेंगे यहाँ पे fillet edge? This is 0.6.
Ma'am, half say less. 0.25.
Yes, 0.25. Very good. ये देखिए. Now what you have to do is transform, mirror, select this as a center point. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. Now select both. Again select this as a center. ये यहाँ पे आएगा. If you want, you can place it here. Now select this. 1 minute. Select this, this, and this, this, and this. Now what you will do? Again mirror, 0, enter, and see. This is
Yes.
prong setting. Sorry, pave setting.
Okay, ma'am.
Now same you have to do for this. So what you can do, select this. Select only the prongs, press Alt. So you have to think that how easily you can do the placement and everything without doing it much work. See. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, should I tell you surface pave setting? Sorry, the next pave setting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And your homework will be that you have to try in different shape, like circle. But if you are taking circle, it should be like this. You don't do it like this. Because if I tell to students that you have to make circle and you have to show me pave setting in that, तो वो लोग क्या करते हैं ऐसे. फिर तो ये सेम हुआ ना, अगर ऐसे बनाएंगे तो ऐसे बनाते हैं इस पे, तो इस पे सेम ऐसे ही आएगा, कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं हुआ. और आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू मेक लाइक दिस सॉलिड एक्सट्रूड प्लानर कर्व स्ट्रेट, ये ऐसे. और इस पे कैसे प्लेस करेंगे ये आपको दिखाना है.
ठीक है मैम.
सो ट्राई इन 5 डिफरेंट शेप्स. एक यही रखिएगा, ये जो बताया है एक यही है, 4 डिफरेंट शेप्स में, एंड वन शुड बी सर्कल. बहुत सारे शेप्स है, डिफरेंट शेप्स. इफ यू वांट यू कैन टेक द मोटिव फ्रॉम व्हाट यू हैव डन बिफोर, लेकिन 5 डिफरेंट शेप्स होने चाहिए.
ओके मैम.
एंड द सेंटर पार्ट शुड नॉट बी हॉलो, ये ऐसे कंप्लीट कवर होना चाहिए. ठीक है.
यस मैम.
ओके. So again I'll take center 0 enter 10 2 1.2 enter. Maximum metal thickness you can take 1.5. Don't take after that. And the minimum, if it is plain gold, you can take 0.5 to 1. And if diamond is placed, you can take from 0.8 to maximum 1.5. But try to make till 1.2. If it is required in the design, so then take 1.5. Okay.
यस मैम.
अभी यहाँ पर we have to make the surface slightly down. So what you have to do is take duplicate edge again. Wherever you want the curve, you have to take duplicate edge. So duplicate edge of this, 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 and this. Enter, join it, then offset 0.2 suppose. Seeing the design, you have to decide how much you have to take the gap. And if you want here, you can do fillet edge. After completing everything, you have to see and do fillet edge. So 0.1 suppose, all the 4 corners you have to, all this you have to select and then you have to do. So this should not come till here. This is proper. Okay, so like this you have to do it. Same,
Okay.
all the 4 sides you have to select and then press enter. You will get it like this. Now here you have to select this, then go to solid, extrude planar curve straight. This time you have to do both side yes. So how much you are taking outside, inside you have to take that much. So 0.2 or 3 you can take. So 0.2 I have taken. Now you have to do Boolean difference. Select this Boolean difference with this and enter. See, this is how we create the power setting. Okay.
Yes ma'am.
Now bring the diamond with cutter. So now you cannot take 0.7. Yes, the space is less. See, it's 1.6. One 1.3, copy, paste. 0 enter. Now duplicate edge of this offset. You can take slightly more also, but like this. Now the placement is proper? No. It should be till here. Okay? Slightly it should be up. Slightly. See, like this. Now you have to select this. Press Alt. So now the gap is more. We cannot place one more. Here the gap is less. So we cannot place one more. So what we will do, we will slightly place it like this. Certain gap should be there. So now select this. Bring it here. Now select this entire thing, meaning all the diamonds. Place it like this. Then select one. Place it here. So you have to adjust this. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now like this. See. Clear, you have to do it like this.
Okay, ma'am.
See. Now if you want, you can select this Boolean difference with all the cutters and enter. See.
Mm-hmm.
Now here prong 0.45. 0.5, you have to check whether it is looking okay, because if you will take it here, 1 minute, I'll show you. It should be like this. So see, is it coming? No.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to see all this. So here I'm taking 0.45 and 0.9. Then select this. Press Alt, bring it over here. So no. Now select this, place this down. You know how the prong is placed on the diamond? कैसे होता है? After like this straight. When we will make it, we will make straight. Then what they do? They slightly tilt this. Height
Okay.
थोड़ा कम करके, then this they bend slightly on the diamond so that the prong will hold the diamond.
Hmm.
ऐसे होता है, ये straight ऐसे नहीं रहता है. Fillet edge 0.45 I have taken, so 0.2. सी लाइक दिस, ऐसे होता है, पूरा ट्रैक करेंगे। इसमें नहीं होगा प्रॉपर्ली, वो तो टिल्ट करते हैं तो इसमें डिस शेप हो जाएगा, पर ऐसे ही टिल्ट होता है।
ओके मैम।
नाउ it's not adjusting. क्या हो रहा है? If you are taking a smaller prong, it's not adjusting here, and if you are taking a bigger prong, it's not adjusting here. So what you have to do, you have to reduce the, and I've already used Boolean difference. So Boolean difference you have to do later on, before you have to place the prongs. Okay? ठीक है?
यस मैम।
Yes. So you have to place it like this. Select this. If it is not adjusting here, slightly we will increase the gap between two. Okay?
ओके मैम।
Like this to adjust it. Now we will do the placement like this. See, like this. Okay?
यस मैम।
So now here you cannot place the smaller prong because the gap is more. So 0.6, 0.65 and 0.9. Now you have to select this, you have to place it like this. 0.62. ये आपको चेक करना पड़ेगा that what size you have to take it over here. This is okay because we have to fill the gap over here also.
ओके मैम।
Now fillet edge 0.
3
Not
2 8
6 3 we have 6 2 we have taken. Yes, 0.3 you can take. Now press Alt. See, now this is placing properly. If this gap is coming, no problem. Now select this, mirror, like this. Now select both, mirror again. Gap should be equal. See, like this. Then after doing this, you have to select this Boolean difference with all the cutters and enter. See. Now if you want, you can do fillet edge, but not 0.1, less than that, 0.08 suppose, because we have taken 2. If you will do it both sides 0.1, then it will not come properly. See. Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
pave setting, surface pave setting, prong setting and cluster setting is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
अर्शिया आप कुछ बोल नहीं रहे, क्लियर है?
हाँ मैम।
ओके, 2 सेटिंग और है, बताइए, बताऊं या फिर ये सब बनाएंगे क्योंकि होमवर्क भी है बहुत सारे?
मैम इतना ही काफी है अभी।
हाँ, क्योंकि फिर कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा।
हाँ
मैं
जी
सारे
मिस।
पिक्चर्स भी शेयर कर दे रही हूँ।
मैम अब 2 days प्रैक्टिस यही करना है ना?
हाँ,
ठीक है मैम।
ज्यादा सर्च नहीं करना पड़े, सो आई एम शेयरिंग यू द पिक्चर्स आल्सो। ये देखिए, ये पावर सेटिंग किया हुआ है। ये मेटल देखिए, आपको देखना पड़ेगा। यू कैन ब्रिंग द पिक्चर एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन डू इट, लेकिन एडजस्ट कैसे करना होगा ये आपको देखना पड़ेगा। एंड दिस स्ट्रॉन्ग सेटिंग, तो
ओके
राउंड ही यूज करना है। इन द सेंटर इट इज राउंड, द आउटर वन इज द स्पीयर शेप। ठीक है,
यस मैम।
स्पीयर शेप में आपको प्रॉब्लम थी ना चितवन?
नहीं मैम, हो गया था।
हो गया था, हाँ ठीक है, ओके।
मार्कीज में 1 जो आपने भेजा था
कौन
9.7
सा वाला? ये
ये
वाला?
9। हाँ,
मैं
इसमें
देख रही हूँ,
प्रॉब्लम थी मैम।
एक मिनट। हाँ, इसी में। अर्शिया, आप कैसे टाइम निकालेंगे?
नहीं मैम, बैठती हूँ ना, मैं कल से बैठूंगी।
नहीं, मैं वो नहीं बोल रही एकदम बैठ के, आपका भी मुझे सिचुएशन पता है, वो नहीं बोल रही, मतलब कर पाएंगे ना?
हाँ हाँ।
ओके, सो चितवन सी, इफ इट इज नॉट कमिंग, आपका लॉफ्ट नहीं हो रहा है, राइट?
यस मैम।
डूइंग लॉफ्ट एंड अनेबल टू लॉफ्ट। अगर कभी भी ऐसा है, यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट बोथ द कर्व्स, एक्सप्लोड दिस। ठीक है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम इसमें जो आपने बनाया है इसमें नहीं है, इट्स इन द सिस्टम। सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज, वो कई बार ऐसे इसको ले नहीं पाता है, तो
ओके
you just have to explode it and join it again, and then when you will select both and loft करेंगे, अभी हो जाएगा, ये देखिए, enter and okay। तो बस इतना सही करना है,
ठीक है मैम।
join and then cap, ये देखिए।
ठीक है मैम, मैंने तो इसको 3-4 बार करके देखा था
हाँ, तो
कैलकुलेशन
मुझे लगा
चेक।
कि यही वाला होगा, तो इसीलिए मैंने सोचा था क्लास में ही आपको बताऊंगी, तो इसीलिए। बाकी सब प्रॉपर है, देख लिया मैंने।
ठीक है मैम।
हाँ। तो अभी बनाएंगे चितवन, कि आप बाद में बनाएंगे?
मैम बाद में।
बाद में,
हाँ
ठीक
जी।
है। तो फिर मैं रिकॉर्डिंग शेयर कर दे रही हूँ 5 मिनट में, उसके बाद
ठीक है।
जब भी आपको टाइम मिले आप बनाइए, और उसके बाद फिर नेक्स्ट क्लास में बाकी 2 सेटिंग्स करते हैं।
ठीक है मैम।
ठीक है,
हाँ
ओके
जी।
अर्षा?
यस मैम।
ओके, क्लास वाइंड अप करें?
यस यस
हाँ
मैम।
मैम।
ओके, बाय चितवन, बाय अर्षा, हैव अ नाइस
बाय
बाय
मैम,
इवनिंग।
थैंक यू।
ओके,
बाय मैम, सेम टू यू, बाय।
थैंक यू।